this video, I'll guide you through setting up development analytics on Oobeya. Once the analytics is completed, you will have clear insights into your software development and delivery processes. And you will also see how easy and effortless to measure precise DORA metrics for your projects. First, click on the New Analysis button and select your source code management tool. We will start by gathering some basic information about your project's coding repository. Select details such as the data source defined in Oobeya, your project name, repository, and branch information. This foundational data enables our comprehensive analytics. Here you have the option to enable the analysis of all pull requests within your repository. This feature collects data on pull request activities including all creation, review, and merge events. From this data, Oobeya generates key engineering metrics including code review cycle time, mean time to merge, and PR revert rate, and offers insights into potentially unhealthy team practices such as lightning pull requests and unreviewed pull requests. Now it's time to choose a CICD strategy that aligns with your delivery workflow. This step ensures that Oobeya integrates seamlessly with your CICD process to provide accurate analytics and DORA metrics. If you are not tracking DORA metrics or do not have a pipeline, select the first option. Or to measure DORA metrics and assess software delivery performance, choose the second option. You will then select the relevant production deployment pipeline in the next step. A quick information, we are also working on a feature allowing users to select different CI and CICD pipelines from different tools. What I mean is that you may have a Jenkins pipeline for CI builds, and after that, you may have an Octopus deploy pipeline or GitHub Action workflow for production deployments. This feature will be available later in this quarter, and I will then update this tutorial as well. For the deployment step, provide the details of your production deployment pipeline. This data helps Oobeya monitor all deployment activities and identify release packages, linking them to coding and code review activities to accurately measure DORA metrics. Let's select. You can also choose the development practice that best suits your team, whether it's trunk-based or pull request-based, to ensure accurate metric calculation. This step allows you to specify your incident detection sources. By integrating incident tracking tools, Oobeya automatically detects production failures. It's crucial for calculating change failure rate and mean time to restore service metrics of DORA. In addition to that, if you use some specific hotfix prefixes for hotfix deployments in your branch naming strategy, you can enter them here. Oobeya automatically detect hotfix deployments and update the health status of the previous deployment as a failure. This step allows you to fine-tune settings such as team selection, exclusion patterns, and date range for the analysis. You can customize these settings to tailor the analysis to your needs. Once you have completed all the steps, click Finish to start the development and delivery analytics for your project. And that's it. You have successfully set up development and delivery analytics on Oobeya. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to maximize your use of Oobeya. And if you like to explore Oobeya, please contact us via our website oobeya.io. Thanks for watching.